everybody and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful lacy scarf. It's perfect for summer and fall. The stitch is very easy. It consists mainly of double crochets. I'm gonna use 4mm crochet hook, and down below in the description I'll put information about the yarn. And let's get started. In the beginning you want to chain multiple of 16 plus 4 additional chains at the end. It depends how wide you want your scarf to be. In my case I'm going to chain 48 plus 4 additional chains. That makes total of 52 chains. Now that we have 52 chains, I'm gonna start working on row 1. We have to make 1 double crochet in the 5th chain from the hook. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make 1 double crochet. Chain 1, skip 1 chain, and make 1 double crochet in the next chain. Again, chain 1, skip 1 chain, and again 1 double crochet in the next chain. Chain 1 again, skip 1 chain, and in the next chain we're gonna make 4 double crochets separated by chain of 1. So 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet again in the same chain, chain 1, 1 double crochet, chain 1, and 1 double crochet, chain 1. Okay, total 4 double crochet. Now skip 1 chain, and again in the next one make again 1 double crochet. Okay, chain 1, again skipping 1 chain, and 1 double in the next one. Chain 1, skip again 1, and in the next chain again 1 double crochet. Now we're gonna skip the next 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. In the 4th one we're gonna make directly 1 double crochet without chaining here. Okay, and again we continue repeating this the same steps as in the beginning. Chain 1, skip 1 chain, go into the next one and make 1 double crochet. Chain 1, skip 1 chain, go into the next one, again 1 double crochet. And continue. Chain 1, skip 1 chain, in the next one we're gonna make again 4 double crochets. 1, chain 1, 2, chain 1, 3, chain 1, and 4, again chain 1. Skip one chain in the next one, again 1 double. Okay, repeat the same steps until the end of the row, and I'll show you how to finish it. When you reach the end, you must have left 3 chains. Don't chain here, go directly into the last chain and make double crochet. And this is the end of row 1. Row 2, chain 3 and turn. Now you have to make 1 double crochet in the 3rd chain space. This is the first one, second and 3rd chain space. Go there and make 1 double crochet, chain 1, again in the next chain space 1 double crochet, chain 1, and again in this little one chain space again chain again 1 double crochet and chain 1. In the chain space in the middle we're gonna make again 4 double crochets separated by chain 1, 1, chain 1, 2, chain 1, 3, chain 1, and 4, chain 1. Don't forget that after the 4th double crochet there's also chain 1. Now go into the next little chain space and make again 1 double crochet. Again chain 1, 1 double crochet in the next chain space, chain 1 and 1 double crochet in the next chain space. Now without doing chain 1 here, skip the next 3 chain spaces, 1, 2 and 3, and go directly into the 4th chain space and make 1 double crochet. Okay, and now we continue with the same steps. Chain 1, 1 double crochet in the next chain space, chain 1, 1 double crochet in the little chain space, chain 1, 4 double crochets separated by chain 1 in the middle chain space, 1, chain 1, 2, chain 1, 3, chain 1, and 4, chain 1. Now we're going again in the little chain space here, making 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet in the next chain space, chain 1, 1 double crochet in the next chain space. There's no chain 1 here. We're gonna skip again these 3 chain spaces and we're gonna make 1 double crochet in the next one, the 4th. Okay, chain 1, 1 double crochet in the next chain space, chain 1, 1 double crochet in the little chain space, chain 1, 4 double crochets here. 1, chain 1, 2, chain 1, 3, chain 1, 4, chain 1, 1 double crochet in the next, chain 1, 1 double crochet again in the next chain space, chain 1, 1 double in the next. Now, without chaining here 1, we're gonna skip this chain space and we're gonna go into the last one, making 1 double crochet. And this is the end of row 2. Row 3, chain 3, and turn 1 double crochet in the third chain space. This is the first one, the second, and the third one. Chain 1, 1 double crochet in the next one, chain 1, and 1 double crochet in the next chain space, and again chain 1. Here in the middle chain space we're gonna make again 4 double crochets separated by chain 1. Okay, 1 double crochet, chain 1, 2, chain 1, 3, chain 1, and 4, chain 1. In the next chain space again 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet in the next chain space, chain 1, and 1 double crochet again in the next chain space. Now we're gonna skip this the next 3 chain spaces, this one, the big one right here, and the next one, and we're gonna go directly into the 4th chain space and make 1 double crochet there. Okay, chain 1, and again we continue with the same steps. 1 double crochet in the next chain space, chain 1, 1 double crochet in the next chain space, chain 1, 4 double crochets in the middle chain space, chain 1, 2, chain 1, 3, chain 1, 4, chain 1, 1 double crochet in the next chain space, chain 1, and 1 double crochet in the next chain space, 1 double crochet in the next chain space. Without chaining 1, we're gonna skip the next 3 chain spaces and we're gonna go directly into the 4th chain space. Okay, at the end skip this chain, and in the last one just go directly without chaining 1 here, and go directly and make 1 double crochet. And this is row 3. From now on you have to repeat row 3 until you reach the desired length. As you can see, the stitch is very simple and it goes very fast, so it won't be long before you have your scarf ready. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the notification bell button down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!